Hey folks, welcome to another review. The world of AI agents is exploding, and it's hard to know which platform actually delivers. Today we're putting Lindy AI under the microscope. Is it the best AI agent builder of 2026 as some claim, or is it just another tool with big promises? We've scoured their official site to bring you a completely unbiased overview of what Lindy offers, its standout benefits, and the critical drawbacks you should consider before jumping in. This is the Lindy AI honest review you've been looking for. As we wrap up, it's clear that Lindy AI presents a formidable package for business automation. Its vision of providing a simple, prompt-driven interface to create a managed AI workforce is compelling, especially with its strong emphasis on enterprise reliability and integration. The reported time savings and efficiency gains from real customers are its strongest selling points, yet its suitability isn't universal. The potential high cost and the need for well-defined processes are significant factors to weigh. Lindy offers 4 main pricing tiers based on monthly credits. The free plan provides 400 credits for up to 40 tasks. The Pro plan at $49.99 monthly offers 5,000 credits, up to 1,500 tasks and 30 phone calls. The business tier at $199.99 increases the allowance to 20,000 credits and 100 phone calls. For large-scale needs, the Enterprise plan features custom pricing, unlimited phone calls and knowledge-based storage, priority support, and volume-based discounts. Goodbye everyone, and see you later.